Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where you take a classic ingredient, play around with it a little bit to create a whole new dish. So today I'm playing with chicken and putting it in chicken salad. And I've got and basically we're gonna make it crunchy with some ramen noodles and some cabbage. So I've got some cooked chicken here. I just boiled it in a pan with some water, about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how big your chicken tenders are. And then I'm gonna add just some crunched up ramen noodles. Now, as far as cooking your chicken, you don't need to cook it that long. You can add in the flavor you're gonna add in here as you're adding the seasoning. So then we also have, I wanted to add some red pepper, diced. Then cabbage is gonna add that nice crunchy texture to it. And then some green onion. Probably won't even need to add any salt because I've got the chicken flavor packet from the ramen. And then some cheddar, throw it in there, some shredded cheddar. And then, of course, some almonds, some slivered almonds. It's got some good ingredients in here. And I'm just going to drizzle it with a little olive oil to add some flavor. And it's going to help it to stick, their seasoning to stick. And this is about a 1 to 2 person serving here. All I'm going to do is just give it a quick toss. Now, the key with this one is you don't want to make it too much ahead of time because the crunchy noodles are going to get soggy. So they're not the best at that point. Soggy ramen noodles, huh? Unless they're cooked. So there you go. Yum-o, huh? You've got a crunchy chicken salad with some ramen and almond slivered almonds on there. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit me on my website at chefamy, that's with 2 E's.com.